Creating a website is exciting, but making the wrong choices early on can cost you time, money, and traffic. In this video, we'll cover the most common mistakes beginners and even some professionals make when building a website and how to avoid them using practical solutions. We'll also show why premium hosting like Kinsta can prevent many of these problems from happening. Common mistakes. Using free or cheap hosting. Free hosting may seem attractive, but it is often slow, unreliable, and can delete your website without warning. Cheap shared hosting might save a few dollars, but your website will share server resources with hundreds of other sites, slowing down your pages and frustrating visitors. Real example. A website on free hosting loading in 8 seconds loses almost 70% of its visitors. Poor design and user experience. Bad navigation, cluttered layout, or unresponsive design drives users away. Mobile responsiveness is crucial. Over 70% of web traffic comes from mobile devices. Tip: always test your website on multiple devices and browsers before launch. No backups or security measures. Websites can crash, get hacked, or lose data. Many beginners skip backups and security plugins to save time or money. Consequence: losing content, customer data, and hours of work. Ignoring SEO basics. Many websites fail because they are invisible on search engines. Using slow hosting, large images, and unoptimized content reduces Google rankings. Tip: optimize images, use caching, and choose a host with good speed and reliability. Invest in premium hosting, like Kinsta Fast servers, automatic backups, 24/7 expert support, and strong security. Easy-to-use tools for beginners and professionals alike. Follow good design principles. Clear navigation menus, logical structure, readable fonts, and mobile-first design. Avoid overcrowding pages with too many elements or pop-ups. Set up automatic backups and security use plugins or built-in hosting features to schedule daily backups. Implement SSL certificates, strong passwords, and malware protection. Test everything before launch. Check PageSpeed, broken links, mobile responsiveness, and forms. Use tools like Google PageSpeed Insights, GTmetrix, or Pingdom. Plan for growth, consider expected traffic and future expansion. Choose hosting and plugins that can handle increasing traffic without slowing down. Real-life examples. Case Study 1. A blogger used free hosting. Site crashed after 3 months, losing content. Moving to Kinsta solved all issues, speed improved, and traffic doubled. Case Study 2. An online store ignored mobile optimization. High bounce rate on mobile devices caused lost sales. Redesign with mobile-first principles fixed the problem. Case Study 3. A website without backups got hacked. Full recovery required professional help. Daily automatic backups on Kinsta would have avoided the problem. By avoiding these mistakes, your website will be faster, safer, and more successful. Start with premium hosting like Kinsta. Follow good design principles. Enable backups, secure your site, and always optimize for speed and mobile devices. Your website's success depends on the choices you make today. Make them wisely, and your site will thrive.